In this video, I'll show you how to add and install any custom car mod in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition on PC. Check my video description for this car mod link. I'll click on the downloaded car mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Closed off here, I click on the game and select open file location. Go back to the game folder. Open this game phase, content, packs. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Check my video description for this text. Just copy the text and I'll go in the folder we created, rename, paste the text we copied and press enter. Open the mods folder, drag and drop this .pak mod file inside. Now you can launch the game. And now I'll show you guys how to find the car name. To find the car name, right click on the mod we download and select a WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And in my case, my car name is Alpha. Just write down in note. Once you are in game, press the F4 to open up this trainer. If you doesn't have installed this simple trainer, then check my video description for a tutorial video on how to install this trainer. Once installed done, go to vehicle spawner and I added the car which has two doors. So select the option depends on the car. And in my case, the car name is Alpha, as you can see. Select the car name and I just added this car Nissan and that's how you can add any car you want in GTA's San Andreas Definitive Edition. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.